Well, hey you guys, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make some Poblano corn tortilla soup. This is a recipe from Half-Baked Harvest, and I'll put the link below. I looked at a number of different ones from my own cookbooks and also online, but this is the one that really spoke to me, and I was craving it because I just harvested a bunch of really beautiful peppers. These are gorgeous Poblanos that came out of my own garden, and I also picked some jalapenos as well. So this is going to come together pretty easily, especially because I had most of the things already in my refrigerator. The chicken broth and the chicken, I roasted one yesterday and I saved the chicken breasts just to make this soup. You know, onions, limes, garlic, all of that kind of indispensable stuff. But I did have to send Hubs to the grocery store for some red enchilada sauce. This winter I'm going to learn how to make my own, but for right now the canned version is just going to have to work because I want to pull this together pretty quickly. And he also got, I needed the corn, and he got me some beautiful fresh tomatillas, didn't have those from my garden, and some fresh cilantro. So it's all gonna be really delish. He also got me some tortilla chips, because as far as I'm concerned, this kind of late summer, early fall soup is all about the goodies that you put on top, like the avocados and the chopped jalapenos and the crushed tortilla chips. All of that really good stuff. So he just got back from the store and I'm going to put it together. Oh, and lots of cilantro too. Cilantro is kind of an acquired taste, but boy, once you get the bug, I can't get enough of it. Now, the temperatures are really cool out still. It was rainy most of this morning, but now the sun is starting to peek its head out a little bit. I think they said yesterday on the news that September 9th was the coolest on record for Oklahoma City. So it's just perfect soup weather. Now that said, you guys, our hearts, our prayers, our thoughts go to all of you out in California that are just suffering horrifically from all of these wildfires. What I've seen and heard on the news just makes me ache for you. So we are thinking of you. I'll be thinking of you while I whip together this soup. I will send you a virtual mug of hot soup, if you will. So I'm going to put this all together. Now let me kind of turn this around because I want you to see what I've got here, so you can get just an eyeball full of what you'll need for your ingredients. So like I say, most of this you'll probably have in your cabinet. So that's what you need. It'll of course be in the recipe below. Now, I don't have a fire in my fireplace yet, even though yesterday morning Hubs and I said we practically could have, but I have a candle lit. So I am gonna fire up my stove and whip some of this delicious soup together. I may, if I am really nice, maybe I'll invite Stuart over for a bowl himself if he takes a pretty picture of it for me to show you guys. So this one was really highly ranked on the web. It had, I don't know how many reviews, but all of them were really positive. And after we dive into it tonight, into our soup pot, I'll let you know how many thumbs up we give it. So there you go, what's going on in my kitchen today and what came out of my garden. And let me show you how pretty the garden looks today from my kitchen window. Like I say, that sun is starting to poke its head out. So you guys have a great Thursday, a nice evening, and until tomorrow, make up your own batch of soup.